everything. And I turn it one time, nothing, no dash. See, it lit up temporarily, and then I think that's gonna die away in a minute. But turn it again, nothing. No start, no start, no start, no start. Nothing at all. But if you take your hand and finesse it down into here and there and push that unlock button right there while it's in this run position, it's gonna light up and the dang thing will start every time. Every time. So here's what's going on. Basically, I got a good code reader. And yeah, I wear sandals. Don't judge me. This is how it works. But yeah. B1A3500 and U103C100 stored. And it's saying it's an unidentified key communication error and the CAN IGNMs.